Siguro yung edge ng cheer dancing sa ibang sports, yung creativity na napapakita mo sa mga tao. Yung ibang athletes ang binubuhat, dumbbells, barbells, gym equipments. Kami, we lift girls for entertainment. And yun, masaya siya.
At first it's scary, but then you get used to it. And just knowing that someone will catch you makes it more exciting.
The pressure is, as in, it's on. Kasi nga, this year, for 3-peat kami.
Nakikita namin sa mga bata, na kahit nahihirapan na, nasasaktan na, willing silang gawin kasi gusto nilang alagaan eh.
When we wake up in the morning, we have to go to school. When it reaches 6 o'clock, that's when we start training. And our training usually goes from 6 to 12 midnight.
Ito yung UP Pep Squad, UP Community, government to, walang sumusuporta. Nagpa-fundraising pa sila, sarili nilang pera eh. Hindi like yung ibang university, kaya nila bumili ng player, kumbaga magbayad, o kumuha ng foreign coach. Siyempre, iba yon, ibang level yon.
I think for us, everyone's a competition. Kasi every year naman parang everyone's getting better and better. We focus on ourselves rather than focusing on the others. Masaya yung lahat ng pinaghirapan, lahat ng injury na dumating, nawawala eh. Siguro hindi lang isang araw, 2 araw eh. Masaya ka pag nakikita mo yung may makasalubong sa'yo, ay, coach ng UP Pep yun ah. Ay, player ng UP Pep yun ah. Siguro ba, ganun siya kasaya.
Just entertaining other people and seeing them really happy while watching us perform is one of the best feelings, especially when I hear the UP crowd roaring, UP, UP, ganon.
Yes, we will win this year's cheer dance competition.
Definitely.
Kami, malaki yung puso ko eh. UP ako eh. Manalo kami.